Welcome back to the Gourmet Grandad and Family channel. Today we're going to make for you Chinese prawn cakes. Now for the ingredients, I'll cover the quantities in the recipe, but you're going to need some prawns, some water chestnuts, a carrot, some cornflour, using a dry sherry or you can use a Szechuan wine. We've got sesame oil, oyster sauce, some dried coriander, or fresh if you've got it, salt, pepper, sugar, some ginger, and an egg. So here we go. Bowl, add your chopped prawns, now we add the grated carrot, water chestnuts and ginger. Here we go. Now give it all a nice mix. Then we add a whole egg and mix until combined. Add half a teaspoon of sesame oil, followed by a teaspoon of dry sherry. You can use rice wine if you have it instead. Next we add a teaspoon of oyster sauce. Now we add approximately a teaspoon of dried coriander, or fresh chopped if you have it, a teaspoon of sugar, some salt and freshly ground black pepper. Here I add 2 teaspoons of cornflour. This is to bind the prawn cakes together, but they didn't bind together as well as I would have hoped, so I'd say add 3 or 4 here. This is the joy of cooking. It's a little bit of trial and error sometimes. I'm going to try to cook these in the Tefal airfryer, but in the past they cooked quite successfully in a non-stick frying pan, and I'm just using this as a guide to keep the prawn cakes together. Just spoon in the mixture. Whoops. Try to hold the camera and do this at the same time. Now these quantities make 4 of the prawn cakes, but you can double up if you will need to make more. In we go into the air fryer and switch the machine on. There are no temperatures on this, it's quite a simple air fryer. Okay, so this is 5 minutes and I'm going to turn them over. I can get something underneath. You have to excuse me the filming because it's broken, but that's fine. I cooked them for 10 minutes in total, and that was sufficient. As I say, I needed more cornflour in these, if I'm completely honest. Today I added some steamed pak choy a bao bun and some sweet chilli dipping sauce, but it goes very well with the stir fry as well. I do hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.